Welcome to Beauty Box Lash Training 101. This training is for brand new lash technicians who are learning to apply eyelash extensions and get ready for their very first client. It's also for lash technicians who don't have a big clientele and you're able to practice on a mannequin. I always suggest practicing on a mannequin. When you practice on your mannequin, you want to do every single step that you would do to prepare for a client. Number one is cleaning the lashes. So you want to clean the lash. And you don't necessarily have to use a lot of lash cleanser on your mannequin, but you just want to practice so that you can get the steps in your head of exactly what you are going to do to prepare for this client. Michael Jordan said, perfect practice makes perfect. Some people say practice makes perfect, but he said perfect practice makes perfect, which is true. So you always do every single step. So you're cleaning the lashes. Your next step will be rinsing the lashes. And I use a 4x4. This is bottled water. And I just put 2 drops on either side. And then I hold the 4x4 in place to rinse the lash. Now, some clients' lashes may require more cleaning, a longer process. The reason why you clean the eyelashes is because you want to remove all of the residue off of the lashes so that you can get a very, very good adhesion to the extension and the natural lash. Every single step is to build on the next step to create the perfect adhesion and the perfect set that's going to last the client the longest. If you miss a step, if you don't do a step to perfection, the client is not going to have the longest lasting lash set. So make sure that when you are cleaning the lashes, every lash is clean. You want it to somewhat be dehydrated. So you want to pull off any oils. You want to pull off any makeup, any mascara, any sleep, any debris, the free radicals in the air, dust mites, all of that is going to be on the lashes. So you want to make sure that all the lashes are clean as possible. This is why you clean the lashes prior to every full set and every fill-in.